Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Linette with the Laurel County Public Library and I'm here to save the day. Now how am I going to do that? Well, we've all been in those situations where, it's 8:30 at night and you suddenly remember that you're supposed to take a dessert to work the next day, or it's Christmas Eve and the stores are already closed because everything closes at 6. And you remember that you were supposed to make dessert for the next day or for even that evening, but you forgot. Or let's say your kids are having friends over and they're wanting something sweet and you're like, what can I do that's quick and easy? Well, here you go. This recipe was shared to me by my friend Shannon, and her friend Kelly gave it to her. Well, Shannon calls it Kelly bars, so I've continued to call it Kelly bars. I don't know what the real name is, and you guys may already have this recipe and you may call it something else, but we're gonna make it anyway. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a yellow cake mix. Now, you can actually mix this up and use different cake mixes and things like that, but we're gonna start with a yellow one today. 1 stick of melted butter. That's the oven heating up, Elena. It started beeping. She had that look of what is that, but okay. So yellow cake mix, stick of melted butter, 1 egg. This is so easy. My egg here. I'm just gonna mix this up. Now, of course, this is gonna be thick. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are so ooey gooey. Kids will love them. Everybody's gonna love them. They'll think you've spent days on them and you've not. And this is all probably stuff that you have in your cabinet. Okay, everybody should always have a couple of cake mixes on hand. Can of sweetened condensed milk, always have it on hand. Some chips, chocolate chips, butterscotch, caramel, whatever your family likes, always have a few of them on hand, especially this time of year. I say that, we had to run out to the dollar store and get these before I started filming, so I didn't have any on hand. That's because I'd used them up.
Just the chocolate chips.
Yeah, I had other things, but okay. So, see how that already looks good, don't it? Oh yeah, it's gonna be great. So I have a 9x13 dish and I just buttered it very lightly, just so things will come out easy. Okay, all right. My stepmom used to make us a thing called a chess bar. That's the only thing I know that's close to comparing to this, but it's different a little bit, so there you go. All right, we're just gonna pat this down. Quick and easy. I mean, it doesn't take any time at all. Perfect. All right, now I'll take you some chips. I'm gonna use chocolate chips today. Now I'll tell you the best ones of these I ever made. I had some just odd amounts of, I had caramel, peanut butter, and chocolate. I just dumped them all on there. It was delicious. So whatever chips you've got. Be careful about peanut butter because, if you're taking it somewhere, there might be people with allergies. You just never know. So I'm just gonna dump a few of the chocolate chips on there. And if you have the little miniature ones, those will be fine too. And then a can of sweetened condensed milk. Just want to kind of spread. Don't worry about it not being, perfectly even. It'll kind of spread out in the baking process. Okay. I want to make sure I get all of it out of the can. This stuff's like a little touch of heaven right here. It's so good. You can do so many things with sweetened condensed milk. Should always have some. It'll get you out of pinches. Okay, that's it, people. We're gonna put that in the oven at 325 for about 45 minutes. Okay, so check back with us in a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, welcome back. These baked for about 45 minutes in the oven. Remember, it was 325. I've taken them out and I've let them sit and cool for a little bit. You do not want to take these out of the oven immediately and try to cut them because all this is bubbling and gooey and it's too much deliciousness going on there. So I'm going to show you here. I cut one out of the very center. You can kind of see the side view there. And again, you can name this bar your own name if you want to. We call it the Kelly Bar. And I hope that you will try it and enjoy it. And everybody have a very Merry Christmas. And we'll see you again in January 2021. See you next time.